Hello, welcome back to Adventure with the Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a simple dragon. I'm going to open up this sketchbook that I designed in the last video, and let's get into it. Sometimes I think too much about what I'm going to draw on the first page and end up making more mistakes than I usually make. Alright, I'm going to start with the dragon's head. For now, we're just going to make a simple circle, and then draw an oval-looking shape for the snout. Today we aren't going to draw the whole body, pretty much just the head and the neck. Now I'm going to go in and add where the horn should be about. Now yes, this is looking like a donkey with very small eye, big stubby snout with long ears, but this is just so we know where most of the body parts are, and now we can go in and start adding some details and really get the shape of the face and the snout. Now we can go in and erase a lot of those unnecessary lines and basic shapes. Now, the dragon was looking a bit too much like a donkey with ears, so I ended up lowering the horns down to here, and it looks a lot better so far. Alright, I have all of my markers in this one container, and yeah, I have an awful lot of them. Today I will be coloring this dragon, and I feel like she could have a nice green color to her, so I'm going to get out all of my greens. Alright, I even have this cute avocado eraser. I lost the inside of it, but anyways, it is green too, so I thought it'd be fun to use that. This is all of my green markers. Okay, I have a simple note card right here, and this is where I'm going to try out all my markers to see how dark and how light they are. These are all of my greens, and now I know how dark and light they are. I think I'm going to choose this light green for most of the skin. Well, I guess I don't have skin, but most of the scales, I guess. Alright, I got that done, and now I'm going to do the horns. Alright, I have this orange color. It looks yellow, but it is orange. And I'm not going to use all green. I am actually going to use this orange for these little, I don't know what you'd call them, but they're like little cuffs on the horns. But whatever they are called, I am going to color them in with this nice orange color. I am not a big fan of these things right here. I just don't like the color, so I'm going to try this color out. I think it's like more of a maroon color. It's that color right there. It's kind of maroon, I don't know. I'm gonna try this over this color, see how it looks. Alright, I think that looks a lot better. Now I'm going to add a few little things. Alright, I wrote a lot of things in these little speech bubbles here, And if you want, you can pause the video and read them. There you go. I have the perfect first page of my sketchbook. I think it is perfect. Now, not everything is perfect, but to me, this is perfect. Anyways, I love it. I have these little things here. Oh, speech bubbles, yeah. I have these speech bubbles here. I think they're pretty cool. And lily pad, that is the dragon's name. And then I have up here, these are all the colors I used. And I left out some that I didn't use, and it may not look like I used all of those colors. That is my first page in this book, and I think it is pretty well done. Now I just have to put all of these away, and I can show you what it looks like when you open the book. Alright, this is the cover. You open it up, you see this page. Well, it isn't really a page, it's just the back of this. But you open it up, turn it around, and you see this. This is the first page. Wait, I gotta add something, hold on. Alright, do you see it? Well, it's right there. And it says the first page. I like it. I like this first page a lot. And I'll just say we aren't running out of paper anytime soon. So I have lots of more videos coming up. Thank you for watching, everybody. Remember, life is an adventure. And you are the one who chooses those paths through that adventure. Now, thank you for watching, everybody. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.